video. Today we're gonna go through Lucifer by SHINee because we just went through the first intro part last week in our K-pop dance workshop. That was probably the top 5 most intense choreography ever we have done in a workshop, but at the same time, once you get the dance moves, it was so much fun to do with the actual music and the speed. So today I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first intro part of Lucifer by SHINee, and at the end of this video we're gonna go through with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. Before we start this video, we have the weekly K-pop dance workshop in Arizona on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. and we usually go through the chorus part of a song taking 2 weeks. If you love K-pop or if you want to dance with us, please feel free to join us. You can also participate through free live workshop on a Facebook group called the Arizona K-pop Dance Workshop, and it's totally free. Anyone can join from all over the world. So if you want to be a part of a big K-pop community here, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's begin. Alright, so today we're gonna start on 1. We're gonna start this move. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here we go. How are we gonna do this? First, you're gonna step right and then take both of your arms, make big circles from the right to left. And then bring the arms to all the way to the right. And then when you bring your arms to the right, you're gonna switch your legs. And the right arm is extended, left hand you can touch on your shoulder or biceps, wherever you want. Yeah. So circles and switch. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now after that, we're gonna make a wave on the right arm. How are we gonna do this? First, bend your right finger and then bend your right wrist, and then take right elbow up, right shoulder up, and let it go. Just like this. Finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder. Finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder. Yeah, smoother. But it's gonna be really fast though. Ba, ba, ba. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna go and 3. And then again we're gonna switch your leg and extend both of your arms. Here we go. And then flip your hands. So the next one you can take wrist up just like this. Hands and wrist. Make sense? Circles and right. And then wave, hand, wrist. Here we go. In a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're gonna take both of your wrists up. Here we go. So hand, wrist, elbow. Here we go. Now again we're gonna switch your legs, and at the same time we're gonna push your right hands in. Make sure your right hand is flipping down and push it in. Here we go. Now we're gonna open up and then take the right hand, flip up and push to the other way. Here we go. And then we're gonna make circle. Yeah. After pushing in, you're gonna take your right hand up and then switch and then bring your left hand up and clap. Yeah, hands together. Good. One more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, open, wave, hand, wrist, elbow, push in, open, flip, push in, and circle. After circle, you're gonna open one more time. Yes. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, right, wave, hand, wrist, elbow, push, open, flip, push in, circle, open. Yeah, let's do it in a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Now after that, you're gonna clap, but at the same time, as soon as you clap, drop your right hand down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, make 3 waves. Da, 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 da. After open, now clap and drop, up, drop, and then you're gonna take your you're gonna touch your right shoulder, lean to the right, switch, lean to the left, and lean to the right, and lean to the left. Touch your right shoulder, left shoulder. Now lean to the right and hands forward, and then switch left hand. Good. So clap, open, down, up, down, right, left. Good. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now after that, you're gonna take up, down, da. Yes, how are we gonna do this? So we end here right now, right? Now let's do it with your arms first. Take your right hand up. Now bring it to the left and push it to the right. Yeah, at the same time. And then now we're gonna switch your hands. Take your left hand up and then drop your right hand down. Now take your right hand on in front of your abs and then put it together. Good. Stop. Now right hand and push to the right. Drop it down, touch your abs and close. In a count, 5 and 6 and 7 and. Yes, 5 and 6 and 7 and. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 and 6 and 7 and. Now your legs, you're basically gonna be in place, but take your left leg up and switch to the right and switch to the left and yeah, just like this. Left and right and left. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 and 6 and 7 and. Now after that, you're gonna open your hands, open your elbows, and then cross in front of your face and pull. Yeah. After this, open and cross and pull. At the same time, your left foot, left leg, when you open it, kick and then cross and jump. Yes, when you jump and when you land it, bend your left knee and put your feet together. Good? So 7 and open, cross, jump. In a count, 7 and 8, 1. Good. Let's do from the beginning. Here we go. Just so you know, this is the most difficult part. So don't worry if you can't catch up for now. Just repeat the move and you will eventually get it. Alright, from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, right, wave, hand, wrist, elbow, push, open, flip, push, circle, and down, and down, and down. Right, left, up, side, and open, ta, ta, ta. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Now, we're gonna touch with your right hand and touch your left leg, and touch your left leg with your left hand, and punch, upper punch. Yes. After this, you're gonna kick and touch right, touch left, and up. Yes. Now, next one, make a fist on both of your hands. We're just gonna step forward and take your right arm up and flip to the left. Yes. So that you can go to the left, to the right. Good. After this, you're just gonna punch, upper punch to the direction where you go. Right. And then make a big circle. Circle. And wave as well from the chest. Wave, 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 wave. And punch. Yeah. To the right top. Good. After this, now touch, touch, up. And punch in left, right, circle, punch. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. After that, you're gonna punch down and step to the right. Now take both of your hands to the right and then cross your left foot behind your right. Now after that, you're gonna make a circles and throw again. When you circle, take your right arm up first and then make a circle. And at the end, your left arm is on top. Make sense? Right, left, down, okay? From here, you're gonna step to the left, circle, and again throw it to the right. Now after that, you're just gonna step to the left, step to the right, step to the left, and clap. When you clap it, bend your knees, clap. Yes. Pull your elbow, pull your elbow, pull your elbow, and clap. Okay, let's do from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Alright, let's do from the very beginning. We're almost done actually. We got this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after that, put your feet together, and then we're gonna throw it. Yes, this time you're gonna kick with your left foot. Yes, make a fist, and then take your left, bend your left elbow, and then throw with your right arm. Throw it and pull. Yes, throw it and pull. Now you're gonna open your hands and then a little bit lean to the right. Now after that, you're gonna cross your hands, face to the left slightly, and then step with your right foot. Good. So that you can lean to the right and the hands behind your head. Good. And again, we're gonna face to the left again and then cross your hands. This time, make a fist. Cross in front of your chest, and then to the right, open. And stand up straight. Yes. Alright. After the clap, now we're gonna throw it and pull and open, step to the right, hands behind your head, cross again, and down, and back to the center. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after that, you're gonna step to the left, and the right hand go around your head while grab your abs with your left hand. Now face right and then make a fist again, cross your arms and open to the left this time. Back to the center. Now we're gonna repeat the same moves, but you're just gonna step forward, right hand go around your head, and then this time you're gonna lean to the left, take your right knee up, make a fist and open. And back to the center. And that's it. Okay. So let's do from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, cross, down, center, circle, cross, down, center. Alright, after clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and throw, pull, open, cross, heads, cross, down, and circle, cross, down, and circle, cross, down, and alright, this is it. Now it's time to put everything together and do a little bit faster because the music is a lot faster than this. Alright, from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Clap and throw, pull, open, cross, head, cross, down, and circle, cross, down, and circle, cross, down, and. Alright, let's do it a lot faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and left, right, left, clap and throw, pull, open, cross, head, cross, down, and circle, cross, down, and circle, cross, down, and. Alright, let's try with the music. 1, 2, 3, more you practice, better you can be at. So don't give up and let's keep it up. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. And please don't forget to give us big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Thank you.